Have you ever pondered the art of determining your zodiac sign using your date of birth? It's not as mystical or complex as it might seem. Here's a step-by-step guide to unveil this cosmic secret. Firstly, the process begins with knowing the exact date of birth. This includes the day, month, and year. But for the purpose of zodiac determination, we only need to focus on the day and the month. Next, we delve into the date ranges associated with each zodiac sign. The zodiac calendar starts with Aries, from March 21st to April 19th. Then we have Taurus, from April 20th to May 20th, followed by Gemini, from May 21st to June 20th. Cancer covers June 21st to July 22nd, and then comes Leo, from July 23rd to August 22nd. Virgo spans from August 23rd to September 22nd, and Libra, from September 23rd to October 22nd. Then comes Scorpio from October 23rd to November 21st, followed by Sagittarius from November 22nd to December 21st. Capricorn rules from December 22nd to January 19th, Aquarius from January 20th to February 18th, and lastly Pisces from February 19th to March 20th. Now, armed with this knowledge, it's time to match the birth date with the zodiac sign. This is as simple as comparing the birth date to the date ranges we've just discussed. Once the birth date aligns with a particular zodiac date range, voila! The associated zodiac sign is revealed. For instance, if the birth date is July 5th, the zodiac sign would be Cancer, as this date falls within the Cancer date range of June 21st to July 22nd. And there you have it. By following these steps, the zodiac sign based on the date of birth is easily determined. So next time you wish to know someone's zodiac sign, remember, it's just a simple matter of date range alignment.